This week I'm testing the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport. It's a 7-seater four-wheel drive, and these are my top 3 family-friendly baby drive features. Number 1 is there's a really good seatbelt removal visual on the front dash, as well as there being good legroom in the second and third row. Number 2 are the auto lock and unlock doors. They make going to and from the car with kids really nice and easy because you keep your hands free for holding onto them and carrying their stuff. Number 3 is there are aircon vents in the ceiling for both rear rows of seats, which is excellent, and you can control them from the front dash too. I've really enjoyed driving the Mitsubishi Pajero Sport this week with my family. To see the full review, go to BabyDrive.com.au.